one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. So as my community tab post suggestion, I tried a new place. It's actually not a new place to me. It is a new place for the channel. I got went to Shake and Go. Got a burger. So I opted for the sweet potato fries today because I think they're seriously underrated. Oh yeah. Almost can't stop putting them down. Well, here's the burger. So I opted for no onion, no lettuce, like I always do. Wow, one strip of bacon. Tomato, pickle, cheddar cheese, toasted, looks like some sort of like a Kaiser roll or a bun. Oh yeah. Alright, here's a close-up of the burger. They just put one piece of bacon on the top. And it's, veggies are down underneath. Looks like dill pickles, tomato. And they have their own house sauce, which is right. They actually give you a side of it. I don't think I can open it without spilling it everywhere, so... Alright, so there is the sauce. It's just a mayo ketchup mixture. It's nowhere near as good as the Red Mill, but they always give it to you with every burger. But I'm not going to dip my sweet potato fries in it. There's the burger again. I'll tell you what. It's a good burger, but that house sauce gets everywhere. It's quite messy. Here's what I'm talking about. Just kind of just drips out of the burger. And onto everything. Alright, so rather than trying to record a menu, I actually grabbed one of the to-go menus. Excuse me. So, they've got a... So first of all, I got the bacon cheeseburger. It was $11.50. Now that comes with fries. Unlike Burger Master. Excuse me. So they got burger, double burger, feta burger, blue cheeseburger, chili burger, Hawaiian burger, onion burger, pastrami burger. It's kind of smart how they did their menu because, you know, they have a teriyaki burger, so they could use the, well, they have a teriyaki chicken burger, so they could use the pineapple from both the Hawaiian burger and the teriyaki burger. So that's kind of smart. And then they have a Philly cheesesteak, which they have sliced beef, but the there's something else on here that caught my attention. Oh yeah, it was the they have wraps. And they have the California wrap, blah blah blah. But then they have the Euro wrap, but it says sliced grilled beef, which I'm guessing they use the same beef for the Philly cheesesteak on the Euro wrap, but I bet it doesn't taste anything like a Euro. Willing to bet. So, but still, you know, you can use two items to make one thing versus having Euro meat on hand. They get a cod burger, but then they have cod and chips. Sorry, they got the backside, they got fish and chips, so they can use the same cod for the burger. which is smart. They got chicken strips, corn dogs, sweet potato fries, onion rings, which is, I've never had their onion rings. Then you got kids meal, and then they got salads, which, you know, they've already got most things for a salad on the burger. You know, you got lettuce, tomato, whatnot, so kind of smart there. Soup and chili, which is kind of smart because they have chili burgers. So then there's shakes, which I've never had, and there's smoothies, which I've never had, and fountain drinks. So there we go. We got shake and go. Well, as always, I do appreciate all of you watching. I'm gonna run one more errand before I go home and get ready for work. But yeah, so pretty good burger. The last time I ate here, it wasn't really that great, but you know, everyone has their off days. So what are you gonna do? But today was really good. A little messy though. I don't see any. I got some drip on my pants, but fortunately I didn't put my work pants on and go home and change before I go to work. So. Oh yeah. Oh, did I keep my receipt? Did I keep my receipt? I don't think I did because I paid with cash, so. Oh well. Anyway, catch you next week or catch you in the next video. Have a great day. I'm really hoping spring kicks in. This morning it was snowing and now it's sunny.